British Columbia has hundreds of backcountry huts, hidden away in the mountains. I love visiting them to explore new places, disconnect from everyday life, and connect with the mountains.
It is a beautiful Saturday morning and we are at the trailhead for Keith Hut. And we're gonna go up and spend the night in the backcountry, in the beautiful, snowy backcountry. Nina is more than ready. So beautiful up here, just surrounded by peaks. Look at that. Nina! So we made it to Keith's Hut. It is an absolutely gorgeous sunny afternoon, and I'm just soaking in some of the rays in front of the hut here. Very happy to arrive at this hut. So is Nina. And it wasn't too bad on the way in, but we definitely earned it. So peaceful up here. Yeah.
I love the camaraderie at huts. You meet cool people from around the world. You're sharing this small space with other groups, eating and sleeping in close proximity. Melting snow, drying skins, talking about the snow, the skiing, and telling stories, stargazing. It really boils life down to the simple things. Don't count on getting a lot of sleep though. I'm glad places like this exist, and that we're able to experience it with like-minded people. Getting out there is why the hut was built, for the memory of Keith Flavell.